বলুন।
Hi, my name is Rajendra Bose and I am from Calcutta. This is the first time I had an opportunity to travel with Thomas Cook. I boarded the flight on 5th of June 2017. It is TCSB 0506 and immediately on landing at Heathrow I was greeted by Mr. Naresh Gadia who came across as a very polite, courteous and enterprising kind of a person. He took great care of us. He was very informative in the sense that while taking to all the places of interest, he had given a brief background of the history, knowledge prior to visiting the spot.